Ladies and gentlemen, the next song to be performed on these stages here before you today will be introduced by Rolf the Wolf. Here he is, Rolf the Wolf.
Thank you. The next song will be sung by...
Rolf, what's wrong with your voice, man?
I don't know.
Hey guys, couldn't help it over here. I'm sorry to interrupt, but Rolf's got multiple voice. It's a rare disease that only occurs in animated characters. You gotta keep him from talking.
Oh no, is it contagious?
No, it's just something went wrong with his brain.
What else is new? Sorry folks, due to technical difficulties in Rolf's brain, as usual, the next song will be performed without an introduction. Of course it's about a dragon.
The magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn's mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff, the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn's mist in a land called Honolulu. Oh, the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn's mist in a land called Honolulu. Together they would travel on a boat with billowed sail. Jackie stayed a lookout perch on Puff's gigantic tail. Noble kings and princes would bow whenever they came. Pirate ships would lower their flags when Puff roared out his name. Oh, Puff, the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn's mist in a land called Honolulu. Oh, the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn's mist in a land called Honolulu. A dragon lives forever, but not so little boys. Painted wings and giant's rings make way for other toys. One gray night it happened, Jackie Paper came no more, and Puff, that mighty dragon, he ceased his fearless roar. His head was bent in sorrow, clean tears fell like rain. Puff no longer went to play along the cherry lane. Without his lifelong friend, Puff could not be brave. So Puff, that mighty dragon, sadly slipped into his cave.